Hello guys, hello viewers, welcome to Free Time Talk. Annie is back again. Today I want to talk about important things. If you have to leave important thing, let it be for more important thing. I've seen that people talk about one particular thing on media, they emphasize on one issue, just like Regina Daniels and the husband. We have more things to talk about. What is going on in Nigeria is a lot for us to talk about. I just watched one video recently. A flood has taken one particular place somewhere in Taple Road in Benin. You need to see for yourself. Houses have been surrounded by this flood. These are people properties. You need to see cars, you know, they were just in the middle of it. Should I call it a sea or what? What is the government doing about it? What our government, what thing they do now? What about the president, what thing they do? Eh? For how long are we going to pretend that all is well? For how long? That same country, Boko Haram, Fulani men, they busy killing people every day. The life of a human being now, it's worth nothing. Even common animal has no value than a human being. I also watched a video not quite long, how somebody used a person take up pepper soup, begin they sell them for Benin. That's in Benin. When we have politicians in that country, important personalities, or in that same country, the pastors are there, the celebrities are there. What are we doing about it? It's high time we stand up on our feet. Let's raise an alarm. Oh. This is serious matter, because even the kingdom of God suffered violence. And they take it by force. This time it's by force. Let's take it by force. It's getting too much. People that are outside the country, they are scared. They are so afraid to go home. Even when they finally arrive home from Lagos to their destination, if they are able to arrive to their destination, they give testimony. From their destination to Lagos, they give testimony. What is happening? It's high time we take our stand, because this thing is getting worse by the day. It's getting worse. People are suffering. People are dying. We can't just pretend that all is well. This is more important than any other thing. If we keep on emphasizing on this on media, the whole world will know that really we are going through hell. Enough is enough. Let's stand up and speak one voice. Let's stand up. I'll put the video on and see for yourself, because they say seeing is believing. You have to see. So you believe me. And when you finish watching it, whatever your opinions are, whatever your comments are, don't just leave it there. I will go through that later to see whatever your opinions are concerning this. Now only that one now, see if I can't tell you now. This is Free Time Talk Entertainment. See you guys. Love you.
Awano! Welcome! And the glass! This is Benin under siege. Benin under siege. Not for me, not for me. Oh yeah, sorry. This is Benin under siege. Flooding everywhere. You can see over a kilometer stretch of road flooded. This is the popular Benin Sapler Road. Under siege, completely submerged on a Monday morning. That is it. Flooding at its peak in Benin City.